Happy day, students. Today I am going to teach you idioms and phrases for higher secondary students part 2. Already we have seen that idioms are nothing but fun and creative and advanced ways to express meaning. One of the things that really gives a language its character. So idiom is an expression whose meaning is different from the meanings of the individual words in it. Let's see some more examples. Let's see the next. Take French leave. That means to be absent from work without permission. I think he's taking French leave. He is not seriously ill. To give somebody the cold shoulder. That means to treat somebody in an unfriendly manner. Sally really gave me the cold shoulder this morning. I tried to speak to her, but she just ignored me and walked away. So, to give somebody the cold shoulder means to treat somebody in an unfriendly manner, ignoring them. Okay. Paint yourself into a corner. That means we have to do all the work ourselves. A close shave. It means a narrow escape from danger. The drill almost hit Tommy. It was a close shave. Hit the sack. That means go to sleep. I've got to get up early tomorrow, so I'm going to hit the sack. Break the ice. To do something as a means of reducing or eliminating shyness, awkward tension or unfamiliarity. Example, you see, Kim broke the ice at the auction by bidding $20,000 for the painting. Hold your horses. Used to tell someone to stop and consider carefully their decision or opinion about something. See the example? Just hold your horses, Bill. Let's think about this for a moment. Under the weather. It is mildly ill or sick. Yeah, it was under the weather last week, but I am feeling much better now. Storm in a teacup. A lot of unnecessary anger and worry about a matter that is not important. Example, you see, don't worry. It's a storm in a teacup. Everyone will have forgotten about it by tomorrow. A hot potato means a problem, situation, etc. that is difficult to deal with and causes a lot of disagreement. So example, the issue of gun control is a political hot potato in the United States. Bad apple. It means a person with a corrupting influence. Example, Jeremy is really a bad apple. After 5 minutes with my usually well-behaved kids, they are all acting. White elephant means an expensive item that is troublesome or useless. Example, the new office block has become an expensive white elephant. Top dog. It means the most important person in a group. He is top dog in television drama now. Big cheese. It also means an important, successful or influential person. Example, I am the big cheese around here, so you have to do what I say. Let's see some fish idioms. See, with fish. Big fish means an important person. Fish for compliments. Try to manipulate people into praising you. Compliments means praise. Fish out of water. A person who is in unfamiliar, confusing surroundings. You can't make fish of one and fowl of the other. So people must be treated equally. Next one, you see different kettle of fish. So not comparable. Next, better fish to fry means more important matters to deal with. Drink like a fish means drink excessive amounts of alcohol. Like shooting fish in a barrel. It means very easy. Neither fish nor fowl. Of indefinite character and difficult to identify or classify. A fish story means a big lie. Moving on to the next. Speak your mind. It means tell your feelings. People don't always like when you speak your mind. Give a hard time means treat someone harshly or unfairly. Mr. Andrews always gives me a hard time. Yesterday he shouted at me again. None of your business. It means not for you to know about. My texts are none of your business. See how they are fighting. Living the dream. That means having the perfect life. After winning the lottery, Brian was living the dream. Out of town means away. We'll be out of town for a few days. Break up. It means to end a relationship. She cried when he broke up with her. In tears means crying. She was in tears when she heard her uncle had died. The masses, it means the normal everybody people. His speech was popular with the masses. Behind bars, it means in prison. Okay, Jim is behind bars. Chilling means relaxing. George was chilling at the beach. In the middle of nowhere, it means far from anything. Larry's car broke down in the middle of nowhere, so no one to help them. Put yourself in my shoes. It means to try to understand my situation or feelings, especially used for difficult or unpleasant situations. Don't be angry with her. Just try to put yourself in her shoes. Don't you know how she feels? Can you give me advice for this problem? What would you do if you were in my shoes? Guts means courage or bravery. It takes guts to be a firefighter. Small talk. It means friendly, informal conversation. We made small talk before the meeting. Free spirit. A free spirit is a person who lives a free and independent life. Hot spot. It means a popular place. The waterfall is a hot spot for tourists. Get going. Leave and go somewhere else. Our train is at 3. We have got to get going. Spend a fortune. It means spend a lot of money. Beatrice spends a fortune on clothes. She loves expensive brands. A good move. It means a good idea. An action with a good result. Buying a house was a good move. Now we can start a family. Teacher's pet. It means a favorite student. Billy is the teacher's pet, probably because he always answers her questions. In the blink of an eye. It means very quickly. If you have a cat, don't leave fish on the counter. It will be gone in the blink of an eye. A lost cause. It means a hopeless situation. Worthington could never beat Manchester United. It was a lost cause. Know something inside out. It means know something very well. Our tour guide is great. She knows the city inside out. Roll your sleeves up. That means to do or get ready to do something difficult, intense or demanding. Let's roll our sleeves up and get this job done. Cause a ruckus. That means create a disturbance or loud noise. The kids were causing a ruckus again. Poor babysitter. The babysitter is taking care of the children. Go all about. Go all out. Work as hard as possible. We need to go all out if we want to win. Loud mouth. A person who is loud and annoying. What a loud mouth. Crybaby. A child or adult who cries without good reason. Go and do your homework and stop being a crybaby. Good to go. That means ready. Ready for school. I am good to go. Step up your game. It means improve yourself. Do better. Bro, she's too good for you. You need to step up your game if you want a girl like this. So, step up your game means improve yourself. Waste of money. Something that you bought that was not good value. We are wasting, no? The espresso machine was a waste of money. I only used it twice. Dear students, hope you have understood up to this. With this, I finish idioms and phrases part 2. We shall meet in the next class. Thank you.